Welcome everyone. As you can see, we're in a different kitchen. Yes, I'm helping a friend up in Lake George run his little cottages. So it's a nice kitchen, isn't it? Today we're just making a quick lunch. I'm going to be making sausage sandwiches on hard rolls. So come on over, let's get started. To get started, you want to make sure your roasting pan is in. I'm using the air crisp basket and the splatter screen is in. Go ahead and close the lid. We're going to go ahead and turn the Ninja Foodi Grill on. I'm going to hit roast. I'm going to bring this temp right up. Actually, let's choose 425 and we're going to hit start. I don't think I'm going to preheat. So to skip over this step, what you're going to do, you're going to hit roast and it says add food. And we're going to go ahead and add the peppers. And as you can see, I cut these in half because I needed the other halves for a different recipe and I wanted the tri-color. So we're going to try roasting them this way. We're just going to see what happens with this. Go ahead and close the lid. I also went ahead and prepped the onion. I cut it about that thick. Just did it on a moon shape. This is one sweet onion. It's probably like a medium-sized sweet onion. We're just going to wait for the roasted peppers to get done and then we'll put the onions in. Okay, so about 8 minutes has gone by. I am going to check on these roasted peppers. Oh yeah, look at that. Skin is charring up nice. And I'm just going to go ahead and flip them. We're going to give these a few more minutes and then we're going to take them out. So about 10 minutes has gone by. Raise the lid. We're getting some nice color on these. Look at that. Gorgeous. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do is pull these, put them in a bowl, whatever kind of bowl you have. I'm working in a limited kitchen. Not complaining, grateful. I'm just going to add them to a bowl just like this. And you would cover them with a saran wrap or something like that, like a plastic wrap. But I don't have any, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Using what is here, I'm just going to put a plate over the top and just set it off to the side. Just gonna go ahead and take this right out. Take some avocado spray. Just gonna spray the bottom. And I'm just gonna toss these onions right in. And you hear them sizzling. This may seem like a lot of onions, but you just do it to your taste. If you only want a few onions, use a few. If you want more, use more. Gonna add some salt and some pepper. A little bit more avocado spray. Just going to take tongs and just break them up just a bit. There we go. Go ahead and lower the lid. So as you know, we only have heat coming from the top. I'm going to leave it on roast. Let's go down to temp. I'm going to turn it down to like 375 and we're going to check the color. We might even need to turn it down even more. We'll just see how they are in about 5 minutes. Okay, so they've been cooking about 5 minutes. Let's take a look-see at them. Just going to take the tongs, move them around just a bit. So we have 2 minutes left on the clock. Let's take a look. These are cooking up nice. I'll pull these and put them in a bowl and just set them to the side. So we're going to go ahead and add the roasting rack. Not the roasting rack. We're adding the air crisp basket in. I'm going to go ahead and lower the lid. What we're going to do is the temp. I'm going to keep it on 375 and I'm just going to up it to 15. I'm just letting that get up the temperature and then we're going to go ahead and add the sausage patties. And these are hot Italian sausage patties. These are so good. Remember my mom made this once for me and it was delicious. But these cook up really, really quick. Go ahead and lower the lid. Now we're going to take care of these roasted peppers. So what I like to do, you're just going to take your hands. Usually you would have to take the seeds out and everything else. But with these, it's just the skin, which is awesome. See how that just comes right off? I'm just going to do a slice just like that. You can cut them up any way that you would like. Doing a little trifecta, like a tricolor. Look at that. So these have been cooking for about 5 minutes. I am going to take them and flip them. And also what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to take those peppers and onions and I'm just going to add them right back in here. So these sausage patties cook in about 7 minutes. So almost dropped the cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and add some cheese. You can add whatever cheese you like. This is cheddar. I meant to pick up American, but I grabbed the wrong thing. And let it cook for probably like 1 more minute, and this is done. Let's check it. Beautiful. All right. These sausage patties cook up in 7 minutes, everybody. Place it right on top. Beautiful. Okay. Everyone, I found a new taste tester. Do not tell my aunt in Vegas. She'll have a fit. No, she will have a fit. Oh, yeah. This is my good friend Jules. We're up working here together at this lovely cottage place in Lake George. Yeah. We're doing a fabulous job, by the way, everybody.
Yes, we are.
All right. Go ahead, Jules. Don't worry, everybody. I paid her $50.
Very good.
Okay. All right. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button. Thanks, everybody, for watching.
Bye.